So Google just got 100 steps ahead of the competition, and I'm not even kidding.
The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
Google just dropped, if you haven't noticed, Google just dropped their latest VEO 3, that's VEO 3, their image video generation model, and it is taking the AI world by storm. It is absolutely insane, the capabilities of this model. And I'm just going to roll out some clips now so you can understand how insane this is and how exciting these times we are in.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
This is completely generated with AI. This is absolutely insane. Now, a lot of creators have that are testing this. They've actually created a lot of videos. If you go on social media or on Twitter or on Instagram, you see them using the model to create stand-up comedy. You can literally generate a video about stand-up comedy. You can now generate a movie. This could literally generate anything with dialogue, and it is absolutely insane, because before we had to use a lot of other different AI platforms to put things together. Maybe if you want to generate the video, then you have to use a different platform to lip sync it, then you have to generate the audio from somewhere else. But now you can literally do it all from one place. But this comes at the cost, because this latest model is actually $250. So it's not for everybody, but the capabilities are actually insane. If I just go down, you can see some of the generations. Let me just play this generation so you can understand.
According to this old sea chart, the lost island isn't myth. We must prepare an expedition immediately. According to this old sea chart, the lost island isn't myth. We must prepare an expedition immediately.
This is insane. I'm just going to scroll past this so you can see the other generations. A lot of people have done a lot of things with it, but I can't play those videos because of copyright. I don't want to get a copyright strike for using someone else's content. But a lot of people, if you go and search on YouTube, or you search on Instagram, wherever, Twitter, TikTok, for VEO3, you're going to see the creations that a lot of people have made. Now, this is their official website. This is deepmind.google/models/VEO. Now, this is another video clip.
Where were you on the night of the bubble bath?
This is just insane. This is mind-blowing. This is mind-boggling. We have no idea how far we've come, because just over a year ago, we were only able to generate choppy videos that did not even look realistic whatsoever. But now we can actually generate a complete movie that you cannot tell apart from an actual movie with humans. You can literally not be able to tell apart what AI generated and what is actually real. What is actually real now? Like, nobody can tell what's real anymore. This is mind-blowing, and it can actually do music. Scary. I was super excited, but right now I'm just scared, because the capabilities of AI now has actually superseded what humans can actually create. Because with this now, you don't have to spend a lot of money for CGI. Anyone now can create an AI movie if the person can just afford to purchase a premium subscription to these Google tools, and you have an arsenal in your pocket to just create whatever you want. It is actually insane, and it is scary. It is really scary. These are scary times. Like scary times. You can see the generations. This is crazy.
The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
So that's just about it for this video. I just wanted to get you guys updated on the latest development in the AI space, and this is a huge news for anyone interested in AI, this is actually huge because we never believed we could get an image or video generation this realistic. And this time we were thinking maybe this would be something that we could get maybe towards the end of the year, maybe next year. But this coming out is actually mind blowing. It's actually mind blowing.